What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in Scrap Mechainc, and today I got an idea of what to record about. It's a bit special, I'll say that. I'm going to show you exactly how to make an AI car. Like for sure you can find a workshop, thousands of templates of just place the wheel there, the engine there, and connect the steering there and there, and it will work. But yesterday I tried it. I wanted to make the whole car myself. Not templates from the internet, only my mind and myself. So I'm going to try and do that. It's probably going to end well, I'll just try and do some improvement. And if I will finish that quickly, I want to try and make an auto aiming system. Like a turret that will scan everything in its range, and when it scans someone, and is locked on him for more than say 0.5 seconds. It's like it will shoot something. For now I won't put any cannon or something because I don't remember how to make those cannons, but I will see it later. And one more thing I want to say, somebody in the Discord called Little Dude is one of the call it. He helps me with the server stuff and all that. He gave me an idea for make a battle bots. I will do this, not in this video. For battle bots, I want to have more players. Like if I make now a battle bot, I can only show how it flips a block of metals. But if it's 2 players or more, I can actually do an arena. Everyone builds their own battle bot, and you good idea. So yeah, today I'm building those stuff, and next Scrap Mechainc I hope will be the battle bot. So I got here already made a template of the car. Oh my god, what is lacking so much? Never mind. What I got here, got 4 wheels. Each one of them got a double bearing. What is so laggy? Oh my god, that is terrible. I got double steering, as well as here, an activation switch, and a bunch of sensors. Holy crap, the game is laggy like hell right now. That is terrible. Okay, we'll have to handle that. Actually, this is way too much. This should be enough. So what I got here, I got sensors that, as you see here, we got bearings. I'm going to angle it so they catch all the area from here to here, instead of just those 2 points. Got those for the front, and this one is like the emergency brake. If one of those is activated and none of the others is activated, then it's going to activate the reverse for a couple of seconds. So for making this, we'll need a couple of stuff of parts in my hotbar. Need an engine, logic block. Okay, I do have a bunch of mods, but I'm not going to use any of them. Here I'm going to need a timer, a controller, and I think it should be it. Yeah, it should be it. Okay, so what we're doing, I'm placing controller per turn and controller for the sensors. So we'll start with sensors, simply hook all of them to this one. The bearing only, not the sensors. That is the sensor. Oops, my bad. And there we go. Now, starting to see. One need to be 50. Two will add more 50. Oh, my bad. It will be here. Yeah, 50 is a good difference. Then those ones should have 50 as well. 3 and 4. Let's see if they're okay. They're inverted. Now got this, we got this, but then here we got a big gap. That won't matter because the vehicle probably actually no. We will add it to not 50 but to 20. Oh good. Okay, so now I got a bunch. That is way better. They're all set to a pretty short range. You are 13 and you are 14. Good. So now, the rest of them all need to be 20. A little stupid. And there we go. Now let's see who's in the wrong direction. Those. Good. Okay, now this is for the turning. This will be left, this will be right. So for left we'll take 50 degrees. I found it's the best thing. So, no, 30, my bad. 30 degrees, which is the best. And 30 degrees. Okay, so now we want to check when do we need to turn. Actually, a moment before, forward, backward, and activation lock. So put both of them at 2 speed. Actually, for now, for testing, we'll do it on 1 speed. Okay, now we want to check when do we need to turn for what direction. So what we are doing, we put in a logic gate per side, and we start hooking in. That is a lot of sensors. Now we'll change you to an OR gate and do the same thing over here. I got like 50 mosquitoes flying around my whoa, sorry, my bad. Got like 50 mosquitoes flying around my head. And we add just another one for those. And we will use it later. So now we want to check when do we need to turn for what direction. So if are those activated, if any of those, we want to turn to the right. So we turn this one on. If any of those, we want to turn to the left. We turn this one on. So for example, if we do it here, we turn to the left. Good. And here, we turn to the right. Okay. So now, the activation switch is for only when this thing on, the car will move. So we'll put a logic block for this thing. This logic block needs to be on NOR. So, actually, I'm not sure if it needs to be an OR or NOR. So this thing is active and NOR. And this thing is not active. This thing needs to be an AND, OR. Oh, and for this one, you also add another one here of an AND. Connect the two inner sensors, only those two. And then this AND goes into this OR. So if those two as well and this is not, then it will go backward and try again. And this one goes to here. If this is not activated, and this is, that is need to be NOR, and this is activated, then we go forward. So let's make the forward one. Forward one, please. So let's switch those, and let's make the backward. And the backward. Thank you. If this, then this. If the other, then this. So what I've done here, we got something that detects if there's something straight ahead, straight in the middle. If so, and that thing is on, and that thing is on, then this switch will turn on because it's a NOR gate. So it needs, actually no, wait a moment, what am I doing here? That needs to be a NAND gate. and that to be an OR. No. What? Why are you working? Give me a second. This thing is a NAND. Or no, whatever. And this thing, when this thing is on, that needs what? Okay, we actually made it. I don't know how or when, but let's see. So we got here an OR that detects if there's anything in the front. Here we got a NOR gate from that to that. Why is this thing even working? That does not make any sense. Well, anyway, I don't know why it's working, but let's make it more compact. So yeah, for making an AI car, all what you need is 8 logic blocks and 3 controllers and as many. Wait a moment, what? It's going backward even if the switch is off. Give me a second. Why are you going backwards? Of course, we need here an AND gate. Here an AND gate. And you. And you. And that. And that. Okay. What the? Oh, I need this to connect straight for you. Okay. So what I just did is I'm checking when this thing is on and this thing is on. Because before I tried to connect to this, and this is a NOR gate. It's always on. Like, the moment you connect something, it turns on. So yeah, that was my bad. So you need 6, 7, 8, 9 logic gates, 3 controllers. You can even use less. A bunch of sensors, as much as you want. You can also do it with way less, like 1, 2, 3. You can do it with really low amount. And 2 engines, of course. So it's pretty much it. So now let's give those 2 speed and give him a test. Let's take any kind of block and build some obstacles. Okay, it should be able to drive past that. Perfect. Now we'll just cut it. And come on. Okay. Turn. Thank you. So it goes past. Whoa. It drove some distance. It drove past those one, no problem. So now let's pick this thing up and try somewhere else. I'm sorry for that sound. So yeah, I wanna see if this thing can handle some more, let's say, tough terrain. The only problem with C is that it will might detect the floor. So let's do it at 2 speed and let's give it a try. Let's see how far will it go. That won't go far with that height. Yeah, it just gets stuck on anything. So, this is not a kind of car you want to drive in an off-road situation. So, I can probably make it like a lot smaller and all of that, but we don't actually need. So, like, you get the idea. It's potentially it can go through here if I give it more clearance and make it more thin and all of that, but we don't need so. So, yeah, I will say that as a perfect success, and I meant to delete you. So I'm going to check something and then we'll be back. If we have time, we'll do the turret. If not, we will find something else to do. So yeah, see you in a moment. Okay, we're back. And I just checked and we don't have that much time. Like the last clip was like 60 minutes, so it's almost half the video. So we won't have time for making the turret. That is the base I made. Like it's pretty simple. Got the base, the two turning direction, all of that. So I thought I might show some creation I found in the workshop, because there is some really awesome stuff over there. So we got, no, where was it, here. That is an awesome thing. So this thing, I say one thing, it's super loud. Zoom out. It won't move. It's got an auto stabilization thing in there, using no glitch, only gyroscope. The moment that you get to a certain point and you stop, then it won't get out of here. So if I jump down, bye. I can hear it all the way down. That is impressive. Okay. So yeah, it won't move. It's just so flipping cool. So now let's go and get it with another thing I found. I think this one made by Kivon. This Kiveon. However you read that. What I want to show you. Oh, those are made by Brent Page. You probably know him. He's a great YouTuber. He makes a lot of blueprint editing. As you can see, those are blueprint edited into the thing. Blueprint edited ultra stabilizers. If you got what I say. So yeah, that's the thing. It's really awesome, but I rather not use glitches in Flyer. So somewhere around here should have something wherever it is. Where is it? We got this one. That one. That's something I made for a Scrap Mechainc. And this is awesome jetpack. We got 9, we got 1. It's almost exactly stabilized. Now I just need to get down and to turn left. Nope. What? Why isn't it turning left? Something here is broken. It lost his what do you call it? It lost its main direction in a second. That is weird. Something here is broken. That's my other flyer. I like it way more. Oh, wrong button. No, that's the right button. Okay. I literally don't remember what the key for it. My God, wrong button. Why? What? What the fudge? Oh, okay. That is the direction we need to go. That is going to be terrible. Trying to cut the damn thing. Get forward and turn left, left. Oh, okay, now it's better. So yeah, this is how stable this thing is. Just landed on it and it doesn't even move. Okay, I got it. That is so loud. My brain doesn't work right now. Just like it's through your brain slowly. Oh, and something I made. It's really easy. Like it's something I needed to search a lot for this in YouTube. It's an easy way to make a 250 length sensor instead of just searching in the workshop, because I found only a single one in the workshop, and this thing can be deleted. Okay, so the way to do that, it's pretty easy. What do you do? Actually, give me a second. I'll open my file explorer and I will show you through there. So yeah, see you in a moment. Okay, so now we got a file explorer. We're going to this PC, the thing, go to users, your user, then you go in your normal browser, Windows, you probably won't see this folder. You need to do one of two. You need or to press view hidden items, or go here, add slash app data, and it will show up. And if it doesn't show up, it's simply app data, no space with big A and D. You go in here, you go to ramming, in here to Axel Games, Scrap Mechainc, user, and then you need to find your user. The best way to do that, just choose one of them, go to blueprints, choose any of them, click double time the icon, and you will see if you made this thing or not. So you probably should remember, unless you have 1,000 of blueprints or something like that. So now, which one of them is the sensor? To tell the truth, I have no flipping idea. So give me a second, let's open you. Just checking. Okay, let's see this. Okay, and okay, that's also an option. Scrap Mechainc stopped responding. Come on, please open up. I'm trying to record this crap. Please. My god, that just taking so long. That is so flipping long. Okay, never mind. I will just go back here and we'll start searching. So you simply need to go, like this one is the AI car we just made. Just need to go one from one. And you can actually know, just a quick guess, that is a motorcycle. And yeah, sometimes there are even empty folders you can simply delete. Oh my god, that is another AI car I made, and that one is it just don't. Like I put like double the time. Oh, that's what I mean. I put like double the time the logic I needed. I put some timers I didn't need it. No, that's a big tire. Where are you, my boy? That's my jetpack. And that's another empty case. And I can search is point JPG. I can do that. Icon. There we go. Now I got everyone. That is a way easier way to do that. So you search icon and then you see instantly all of them. Then you go to one of them, not that way. So properties, and you see which one where is it. Let's see. Put it over here, me, and you get in there. So this is one of them, one of the sensors. Go to blueprint, Nuclear.js on. Open, choose it. Open with Notepad. And now, in here, if it's only one block, it's easy. It will be a short one. The more block there is, the longer it will be. But in here, we can see the sensor setting. Got audio enable false, bottom mode true, color 000. That means the default color mode false, control whatever. And if you roll down here, we got range, and here we see the range 200. You can change it to anything you want, up to 255. 255 is the max, nothing more than that. So don't try change more. And here you can change the XYZ. Oh, where did that go? You can change the XYZ setting of it if you know. Oh my god, stop it. Stop, please. If you know where this thing is, and I don't know what are those ones, but never mind. Yeah. So it's pretty much that. Like, I will try to open the game again. I create a new sensor and show you how I can change it to any setting I want. So yeah, see you in a second. Don't save. Okay, we're here in the game, and the game is laggy as hell. Now let's see. Let's take a Snsor. Thank you. Please. Thank you. Place it down, and now it's set to 10. We save it as vid sensor test. Save. My god, it's that laggy. Okay, so right now, remember, it's set to 10. Now we are going back to this place. Going back, actually, how does the save look? That way, okay. I did not mean to do that. I meant to do vid. Okay, it's on this side. Perfect. Let's delete you, my boy. Okay, so now we're going over here. We type again icon, and then we search up one with sensor on its side, exactly over here. And we press properties, copy the place, and we got over here. And then we open this, open with Notepad, and here we can see Range 10. Let's change this range to 1. Save. Now if we open wherever you are, my boy, please. Here. Now if you open it, the range is 1. A moment before it was 10. Let's go back in and change it to 50. I need to reset the thing. 50. So you can actually change. Now it should be like an override. Like I set it here to 20 and here to 50, so it will be actually right now it's 20. If I save it, yes, go over here. That file probably does not exist anymore. Open with Notepad. It now should be 20. Cool. Okay, so I can set it here, as I said before, up to 255. I could do save and delete you and build. Just for showing you how far this thing can now detect. I need the welding tool. Thank you. So let's see, what are you looking at? Further, it's probably beyond 255, but if I will do a line like so, thank you. As long as I will be on this line, I will be in the range of the sensor. Still in. We're already more than 20 blocks away. Still in. And a good idea, so on till 255, so yeah, it's pretty freaking massive. But if I will open it, it will reset down to the last value, if I remember, or 1 or anything else, I'm not sure about. So, yeah, I'm going to end here, we're all out of time. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please leave a like. If you like to see the other one, please sub. And yeah, see you next time, bye bye.